What is the name?
My name is Yogendra Singh.
Okay, so please tell me about yourself.
Sir, my name is Yogendra Singh, and my father name is Mr. Krishna Singh. Basically, I am from Riva. And about my qualification, I have completed my graduation in this year. And about my family, 4 members in my family, including me. And I had completed full stack development certification from Pro Skill Hub. And now I am internship from last 6 months.
Okay, again, so what are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies, I love to play cricket, and as a web developer, I like to follow new IT trend by researching new technologies.
So, what are your strengths?
My strength is I am collaborative persons and dedicated person and ethics for work.
What are your weaknesses?
My weakness is my English was not good, but I am working on it.
Okay. So, why did you choose to get into the IT sector?
Because my cousin brother now in IT sector in Hyderabad, and they are suggested me. Then I researching on Google's YouTube, and then decided I come in IT sectors.
Okay. So, Yogendra, are you a fresher or an experience?
Sir, I am fresher.
Okay. So, a backend developer or front-end developer?
Sir, backend developer.
Why did you choose
But basic
backend?
knowledge,
Okay, sorry.
basic no, yes, sir. Basic knowledge of front end, like
You have a
HTML,
basic
CSS,
knowledge of
JavaScript.
mainly a backend developer, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so why did you choose backend as your backend language?
Uh, because backend prefer for me. Uh, तो क्या आंसर दो समझ
Okay.
नहीं आ रहा
So how many experience you have in backend development?
so now I am internship I have no knowledge but I am uh, मतलब I am मतलब read about it approx 6 months.
Okay. How many projects you have created?
Sir, 4 projects I have created,
Hmm.
2 backend and 2 frontend.
Okay. What are the challenges you have faced during working on those projects?
Sir, firstly, I all thing I taught theoretical part and then practical implementation. This is the toughest task for me.
So explain your project, what it is about, what is the recent project, how it works.
Sir, my recent project is e-commerce,
Hmm.
and I am working on in this project like and login and sign up page using the without using the device name and add more functionalities like add role assign the role admin user supplier. Admin can access the user and supplier data, and a supplier can access the uh, all the things and upload the product and track their product, and user can access the all the product and add product in add to cart.
Okay. So what is the name of the company you're working for?
The Pro Skill Hub.
True Skill Hub. Okay, so for how long you were working for
Yes,
that
sir.
company?
Approx 6 months.
In 6 months. Okay. Okay. What are the languages you have covered?
Sir, in front end I have code HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and in backend Ruby framework on Rails and database connectivity using for MySQL.
Okay. Do you have any question? So how long do you want to work here?
Sir, repeat questions.
So how long do you want to work here?
Sir, approx 6 months.
What's your recent salary?
Sir, now sadly 3 LPA.
Okay. Are you comfortable to relocating to different city?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's just move into the technical part. What is Ruby on
Okay.
Rails?
Ruby and then firstly I tell you कि, Ruby is a mix of Perl and Python. Ruby is a dynamic and open source object oriented and reflective language. On Rails is a framework on Ruby and it written Ruby codes.
What is migration?
Migration is a way to manage change in our database schema over time.
What is scaffolding?
Scaffolding is a tool that quickly generate a model view controller. In controller generate all the methods like index, create, read, update, delete.
How is overloading is different from overriding?
Overloading and overriding. Firstly, I tell you overloading is not supported in Ruby. But class have many method having same name but different argument is called overloading, and it also known as the compile time. And overriding defined two classes same methods and name in different two classes. It's called overriding. It also known as a uh, uh, static.
Okay. What is abstraction?
Abstraction is it is a main concept of OOPS. Abstraction do not show the unnecessary things to user, only show necessary things.
What is MVC?
MVC is a main component of Rails. MVC stands for model, view, and controller. M for model. Model represent the data and logics in our application. It interact with the database for create, read, update, and delete. And model also responsible for uh, validating the data and ensuring that is accurate. And view representing the data to the user, and controller handle the user request and update the model, and they uh, interact with view to render the output.
What is ORM?
ORM stand for object relational mapping. It is based on the active record and it is used to manipulate the data on the database.
Okay. What are the limitations of loops?
Limitation of oops it is a slower than node is compared to node.js, and it provides a gem are suitable thing, but few conditions they are not suitable because gems are installing all the things that are not needed in our applications.
So, what is the difference between delete and truncate?
Delete and truncate both are remove the data in a table, but delete command.
Okay, so what is garbage collection?
Garbage collection is a process that automatically free up space by deleting object there is no longer in use.
Okay. Yeah. So, what is access specifiers?
Access specifier and accessibility and visibility of our applications.
What are constructors?
Constructor when we want to create multiple object methods and variable, then they use constructor.
Okay. What is encapsulation?
Encapsulation is the hide and bind the data together into a single unit.
Give me a real life example of abstraction.
Yes, sir. For real life example, school bags and tiffins.
Real life example of abstraction.
Sorry, sir. Abstraction. Real life example of music player. Music player. We use listening music, and there are some features like increase button and decrease button, pause button, and so on. These buttons we are using as per a
कर दो
requirement. We didn't need to know how it works.
Okay. So, what are the types of inheritance?
5 types of inheritance, like single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance.
How is multi-level is different from multiple inheritance?
Multi-level inheritance, second class inherit from one first class, and third class inherit from second class, and multiple inheritance, one subclass inherit for multiple parent classes.
What is resourceful routing?
Resourceful routing that allow quickly declare all the common routes by giving a resourceful controller, and it single called resourceful can declare all the necessary routes, that is index, create, read, update, delete.
What is asset pipeline?
Asset pipeline is a feature that allow to manage our assets, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and images in a more organized and efficient way, and it precompile and compress our assets and reduce the file size and make our application load faster.
What is API?
API is a mechanism. API is a mechanism that allow to software component communicate with each other by using the set of definitions and protocols.
So, the projects you have worked on, did you deploy
Yes,
it
sir.
to?
No,
Did you
sir.
deploy it to? Okay. So, what are the benefits of Ruby
But
on Rails?
sir, multiple benefits of Ruby on Rails, and Rails provide a ORM library. ORM. So Rails provide a ORM. By the help of ORM, we don't need to run SQL query, and or Rails provide a MVC architecture to, and Rails provide a multiple gems. We use gems. We didn't need to add functionality.
What are association?
Several types of association. Uh, belong to, has many through, and has one through, and and has and belongs to many.
Okay. What are SQL joins?
Join the join column in one join column one or more table into a new table.
What is active storage?
Active storage is a ORM library, and it is a model component of MVC architecture, and it handle the database.
What's your what's salary expectation, Yogendra?
I am looking like 4 to 5 LPA, but whatever the company expectation, we can discuss on it.